I want to talk to you about something that I'm calling the AI trap, because the more that I use it, the more that I automate, the more time that it saves me. I find myself working more than I've worked since I started my business 15 years ago. I've been heads down trying to figure this thing out, building, iterating, trying to migrate my entire business aside of this for a month and a half. And I'm back to working 10, 12 hours a day, finding myself almost like quasi addicted to this technology, but not really getting further ahead of where we were. And this is something that nobody's talking about because everyone is just building these cool things. And I'm guilty of this too, in giving you this major FOMO feeling that you have to adopt this technology or you're going to go out of business right away. And quite frankly, it's just not the case. And I'm going to talk about why in this video. So first and foremost, I do have to say the technology is incredible. This is the most impactful thing that I have seen or used since the dawn of the internet, since I first got into marketing. And I was like, oh, Google's a thing that people are using. Instagram's a thing we should probably be building in this. This is that impactful. However, this isn't something that you have to all of a sudden overnight rearrange your entire business model and try and jam everything through Claude or through Manus, whatever your platform of choice is. Because what you're seeing a lot online now is you're seeing the promise, but not the reality of it. You're not seeing the 10 hours of prompting, reprompting, cursing at the screen because the report looks like crap or it's pulling the wrong data. You're not seeing all that, plus the workflows, plus learning the stack. I mean, I had to learn how to use GitHub in order to build websites, like all this different stuff. The learning curve is very steep. And the challenge that I'm seeing with a lot of entrepreneurs and business owners is that you don't have the time, right? You don't have the time to learn it because you have a family, you've got employees, you've got a million things going on. You're already overwhelmed as it is. How are you going to learn what's basically like a new language and then migrate a ton of stuff into this process and then build and iterate on the fly? It's quite overwhelming. So I think the point that you have to do this, you're going to go out of business overnight. Like, we have a little bit more time than even I initially thought, because I've talked to multiple business owners who are doing 10 times the revenue, 10 times the employees that I currently have. And they're like, yo, it's too much, right? Like, I'm trying to learn this myself, but I'm already running a 100-person organization with 1,000 clients. How can I actually implement this stuff and get it done? Who's really in the videos that you're seeing most are people with no employees. You're seeing people who are solopreneurs, especially in the agency space, doing 10 to 30K a month in revenue, a couple of VAs, employees, and they're just building these videos. And it's real. I mean, what they're building is real. I'm not knocking them, but we're really seeing this from the ground up instead of from the top down. We're seeing people who have the time and the bandwidth to have this live on their machine, build this, and then scale through the organization very quickly and have an impact on what they're doing very quickly, versus very large agencies, especially, who really dominate and control the market. So that should give you peace of mind. If you're in the bigger agency space or the bigger company space, you have a little bit more time because you do dominate a large majority, and you're not going to lose your clients overnight because of this. And I'll talk about that in a second. So we're just kind of caught in what we're always caught in. We saw this with crypto and NFTs and AR, this massive boom on the internet of people pushing information and FOMO content on you, but you're only getting a small slice, right? Like, we're putting the outcome in front of you and making you feel a certain type of way. But I guarantee most of you still have probably going to start using this technology because it is overwhelming. It is a lot. It is hard to find the time to do it. And on top of that, the promises of AI is automation, which means time saving, which means working from the beach, which means having all these agents do all this stuff for you. But the truth is, it ends up creating more work because the workflows right now, they live on your machine. Yeah, you can share skills, you can share agents, but for the most part, this is like single person automation. It's not like organization automation yet. Meaning, if I at the top of the organization am building stuff, it's really hard to share that. I have to impart not only what I'm building, but the knowledge of how to build it, the subject matter expertise across the entire organization. And that's hard. And that means that takes time. So everyone should be learning how to do this, because we're going to see this develop as a skill. And hiring in 2 years from now, we're going to be like, yo, talk to me about your advertising experience or your design experience. But I want to see the agents. I want to see the workflows that you're using inside of AI for me to wrap my head around. I want to see your process behind it. So it's a combination of subject matter expertise and also learning this. So you should be learning this, but we're just not quite there yet. So you have a little bit of breathing room on that. The other big thing is that the market on the client side isn't clamoring for this right now. I'm getting these nonstop TikTok ads from an agency that's like, hey, you don't need an agency, just use us. We have agents that can do it for you. And I'm sitting here on the consumer side and being like, I don't really want that. Like, I wouldn't, it doesn't excite me. It doesn't entice me. It doesn't delight me, if you will, to go to an agency who's just going to dump things on top of an AI agent stack. That, to me, being really honest about that, is not quite there yet. The market's going to need to see what it can do and really understand that. And I look at that too as a marketer. I'm like, yo, like if that was really available, I'd be doing it. Do you know what I mean? I consider me and my team at the top of our game in what we do. They have like an ad automation agent for like $1,000 a month. And I'm like, I don't care about saving a couple $1,000s a month. I care about results. I don't believe, because I'm doing it, I'm a practitioner, that your AI agent can get better results for my company that's spending $50,000 a month on ads with 10 years of data and experience than we can with humans. And we're using some agents behind that too, but to speed up workflows, to not automate the whole thing. So I think the market isn't quite there yet too. I'm speaking really to agencies and marketers here, but it's a trap. It's a fallacy. So, it's going to sound a little bit contradictory for me to say, yes, you should be learning this. You should be building in it. You should be spending time doing this, but also just kind of want to give you a deep breath to take a pause here, to take a beat and say, it's not something that you have to do overnight. You're not going to die tomorrow, right? Your business isn't going to die tomorrow if you don't do this. There's still some development in the technology, specifically around the workflows, around the process, around the sharing across organizations that need to be built out. And right now, I think it's most impactful for small solopreneurs who, again, had a couple VAs, can automate things. But for larger organizations with brand, reputation, employees, clients who trust them on communication, we're not quite there yet. I'm not saying it's not going to be there. I'm just saying right now. So I just wanted to make this to give you a little bit of peace, because I'm very honest on this channel. I try and be honest. I've been building a lot of stuff and sharing with you all, and I'm going to continue to do that. But I found myself falling into the trap too. I was working over the weekend and I was like, I haven't worked on a weekend in 6 years. And I find myself working every single weekend trying to build and figure this stuff out. And I'm like, yo, like if I'm being honest, I'm not building as fast and as much as I would like to think I am. It's just kind of this AI trap. It's like a treadmill, right? A hamster wheel, if you will. So I just want to share that with y'all. Hopefully it gives you a little bit of peace of mind in this situation. And that's all I got for today. So like, share, and I'll see you in the next video.